watch some guys do some backflips and then some more backflips and then maybe a spinny thing and then maybe like a little 1-footer. But no, it's cool. We're going down here to the freestyle competition. It's pretty cool. They do it at night right here at the London Bridge. Which is kind of crazy. They took a bridge down in London, brought it to the middle of the desert, and built a lake around it. But whatever.
How about a huge flex flip to open it up?
What's up, Alex? That's it, man. Got to get loosened up.
Last day here in Lake Havasu City for the World Finals. Got 2 more motos today for me, 2 more motos for him, 2 more motos for Noah. It's a big day of racing. It should be a good one. Farthing racing team's hopefully going to end off the week on top.
What we got going on, man?
Racing.
Final day here in Lake Havasu, Arizona. We got endurance running right now. Noah's running out there. He's doing really good. He didn't have a great start. He's come, up through the pack. He's moving his way up. He's working for third now. See how that goes, and hopefully we can get some wins in the pro classes. We got both runabout and ski to run today, so looking for a good day.
Yeah, it was good, Just it was a good massage. No happy ending to the race site. You can't. It's frowned upon from Yamaha for some reason. It's frowned upon. Bryce doesn't want me to do that, so But you got to do what you got to do. So I'll take what I can get. Devin's moto is race number 6. I'm race number 8. A lunch break, and then I think it's like race 16 and 18 or something like that. So 2 motos today. We're going to put in the work, see what we can get done, and hopefully come away with a good result.
I've been like around 10th or something. I managed to run my way back through the pack. I think I finished 3rd in the end. I rode my FX, Farthing's FX, and yeah, it was way better hooked up than the GP. Let's go, bro. Right, big out. Got a good start. It was actually right. I clipped it. I clipped my lanyard, and it was like the. I saw that.
I know Dustin Farthing for years. We raced in the same team in 2003 with Laurent Boucher in Belgium. Really nice guy, very helpful. We're just talking a little bit right now. If you guys need any help, you're more than welcome to stop at my booth. And good luck, everyone.
Look how tight it is, my ass. It's gonna tear. They didn't count the fact that I have a massive ass.
He doesn't do anything to get it. I don't get how he has that ass.
I work really hard for this ass. picks up rougher and rougher at each lap, and with little to no time on this boat, it just makes it a difficult task. But I'm happy I got the opportunity to get another boat, or else I'd be sitting here watching. So no complaints from me. Just glad to be out there racing with the guys out there.
What's up, man? Not much. We're getting backup boat hooked up in case Dustin has a problem with the main boat. Get ready for a GP runabout.
The king, Dustin Farthing, out of Ashburn, Georgia, here in the United States, took a fourth yesterday on the Monster Energy Yamaha, sponsored by Jet Trim, Jet Pilot, E-Race Fuels, Yamalu, and 100% goggles. Georgie Kaja. Here we go, folks. Oh yeah, it's pro runabout GP race time. Here from Lake Havasu, Havasu. Kirchberger, the builder of that boat there, with 142 last year. As we take a look out, it's still Muhammad Al-Baz, number 5, Kaja, 116, Dustin Farthing. Farthing, I'll tell you, he's had some tough starts, but after the start, man, he is on the gas. So 116, Farthing up into the mix as we take a look at Al-Baz right there. Kaja about 5 seconds off the pace, being thrown down by Al-Baz. Then you've got Skinny Mo back in 4th place and Bushel back in 5th as Farthing was able to get past both of them in the split on that last lap. Dustin Farthing, the king, he is out of Acworth, Georgia on that factory Yamaha. Again, he's sponsored by Monster Energy, Jet Trim, Jet Pilot, VP Race Fuels, Yamalube, and 100% goggles. So Farthing trying to chase down Kaja. And that is their battle right there. There's Kaja, that's her battle right there. And now Georgie Kaja from Hungary taking the Moto number 2 victory. Remember, he finished 5th in the first Moto. Dustin Farthing going to take 2nd. And he took 4th in the first Moto.
Hungary okay.
Yeah, no, he's okay. Hungary. It's okay.
Okay. How was that race?
Pretty good.
Yeah, man. Just fighting a little bit of gremlins, but you know, tried to salvage. I think we got a 3rd. Second? So I end up.
You think you're tied? It's gonna be between you and Kaza.
Yeah, so we're either 1st or 2nd, very close, somewhere in there. So it comes down to last moto, man. Got to get a good start, get my stuff together, and you know, it comes down to this one. Got to, what's it say in the shitter? Get off the pot.
What's up, man?
Well, he already went and welded it, right? Yeah.
We need everything to be perfect.
Some swag for the Asians so they can take back home to Japan. You know, yeah, you got to, because I feel bad, you know, that we Pearl Harbored them, and you got to get them some shirts.
What's going on, dude? Just listening to these 2 idiots. Yeah, man. Last moto of the weekend. Get her out of the way and get out front. And hopefully, end it off on a good note. And then we got some more races later today with Dad, but yeah, just getting towards the end of the weekend.
great. Hang on, Zach.
Go get him, bro. Stay on the boat, dude. Stay smooth. Mediocre start, worked my way through. 14 laps is a long time, but ended up working out good, and I'm happy with the finish. So now that I'm done, I get an ice cream and I get to watch Mike the Missile.
So what do you do when it's 120 outside? Man, I'm just, you know, doing a little redneck engineering, getting my suit ready. Getting ready for the last moto, man. Gonna try to put a start together. I've been terrible all weekend on my starts. Gonna try to get my starts together, try to get a whole shot, see what we can do, try to win this thing, try to make all the hard work worthwhile, all the stress, and see what I can do. Gonna try to do it. Because I was dead next to last on the outside. So by the time he got to where the middle pole was, couldn't see his hand anymore. So I didn't know where going down the line, all of a sudden it went green. The launch for maybe 2 seconds, and it went.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Having some ice cream.
Little sweet treat after the moto.
Yeah, the lady gave me some free ice cream down there. Old lady hooked me up. I think she wanted to smash, so I got me a little ice cream out of it, you know? Take what you can get nowadays. You know, I got second in that moto. Worst start of my career. I was so late on the line. I was sound asleep. Gate dropped, and I was, literally 5 seconds later than I should have been. It was absolutely terrible, and, you know, came out, got second overall. So what I could do was just definitely my fault on that whole race, that's for sure. Just thanks for coming along, and wish it could have been a little better. Like, subscribe, follow along with the page, and, you know, on to the next race. Hopefully, looks like maybe Clearwater. We're gonna get to Clearwater for P1, Thailand for King's Cup. So, you know, hopefully get some better results in the next one, and, you know, see what we can do.
Yeah, man, finished racing. Scoring was a nightmare. We still don't really know what anyone got. You know, I had a good time, read a bunch of stuff, got a bunch of training in, and the last few races of the year should be good. See how they go. So, Havasu's done. It's been a good time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.